So I'm going to try a trick with my golden retriever dog. Here she is. Hi, honey. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this somewhere random in the yard, and I'm going to see if she can find it. I did have some duck training for her about a month ago, but I haven't been able to really do too much because it's been so snowy out and cold and stuff. So now that it's a little drier, I'm going to see if she can find this. This is the first time trying this. So let's go hide it in the yard. So I'm going to go this way. And when I let her go, I'm going to send her the other direction. See if she can figure out where to go. Let's see. I think I'll stick it in this brush pile. Here we go, I'll put it right here. Let's see if she can find it in here. Don't want to make it too hard. Stick it right in there. Okay, I'll see how she does. Nice day out. I do live right in town, so I gotta clip her up. I want to go out the door. Come here. Hey. Okay, you gotta find a duck, okay? You gotta find a duck? You gotta find your duck? Where's your duck? Duck. This is a, you gotta find your duck. You gotta find your duck. Okay, let's see if we can do this. First attempt. Maybe I should have shown the duck to her first. Okay, come on. I'll leave it open. Okay, we'll go the other way. Okay, honey, stay. Stay. Sit. Sit. Okay. I trust her. Come on. Honey. Honey. Look at her. Find your duck. Go find your duck. That's your ball. This is hilarious. This is hilarious. Honey, find your duck. Go find it. No, that's your ball. Go find your duck. Go get the duck. I really should have. I can't believe it. What the? She went right by it. Oh my God. She found it. I can't believe it. This is incredible. Good job, honey. Honey, how'd you know to find your duck? You didn't even know it was out there. You're very smart. Yes, you are. Honey, no, don't shake the duck. Honey, honey. Good girl. Good girl. I'll give her a treat. Good job. Well, that was a pass. She did good.